folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518PRO to program 2017 Ford Edged Smart Key.
All keys lost, we need to prepare for K518PRO. The OBD lines, and the original car keys, and a smart key made by our Lonsdor. Now, plug in the OBD. The first step is to generate a smart key. Select Ford, Edge. Select the first menu. Put the smart key produced by our Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generate. Generation successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select Immo and Remote. Ford, China, Edge. Select after 2017. Program Smart Key. All smart key lost. Turn off the ignition. Close the driver's door once okay. We need to prepare at least 2 smart keys. Click OK. OK, follow the prompts. Insert the first smart key into the key slot sensor area. Press the start button once. OK. Remove the first smart key. Put the second smart key into the sensing area. Press the start button once. OK. Successfully programmed key quantity 2. OK. Programming complete. OK. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? The first key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The first key was successfully started. Second key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. The first key. Unlock. Lock the car. The second key. Unlock. Lock the car.
We had programmed Smart Key for 2017 Ford Edged. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.